Hi everyone who are watching this video. We are from the team Growing Seeds. I'm gonna explain about our project. Our project topic is a common platform for the citizens to share their issues to the government and pass on the government issued scheme benefits to the beneficiaries. But most beneficiaries are not aware of those schemes and middlemen take advantage of such gaps. The programming languages we have used for our project is HTML, Django, CSS, JavaScript, Python. We use Python as backend and HTML, CSS, JavaScript as frontend. We also use Django framework as it is a Python library for web development and it is fast and you can create a website within a matter of few hours and it is very secure. This is the reason why we have chosen Django for framework among other libraries. First, let me show you about our admin page. So this is the code for admin page. Here the feedback, issues, save, applies all will be stored here. I'm going to run terminal here. And then I'm going to open folder from where we have stored our website page. From here I'm going to copy path and then I'm going to run terminal. I'm going to type cd control plus V and entering it. And then here I'm going to type python manage.py run server. When I enter it, there will be a link here. I'm going to copy it. And then pasting it here. So this is our website link. And this is our home page. In the home page, we have just given what are the things about Tamil Nadu schemes. And we created a home page by using the code HTML. So this is the code we have used for home page. And then next is schemes. In schemes, we have just made what are the schemes available in our website. Adi Dravidar and Tribal Welfare Department, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department, BC, MBC and Minorities Welfare Department. So and so on. We are just given all the departments we mentioned here. And on the footer, we have given feedback box so that the visitors can type if they have any feedback about our website. They can type here. For example, I'm going to type it as Ram name and district as Chengalpet. And on the subject, I'm going to type good work, helpful website. So I'm going to submitting it. And this submitted feedback will be displayed on this link. In this link, the submitted feedbacks will be displayed. Here the feedback object 1. So the feedback good work, helpful website will be stored here. And then next is forms. In forms, we are just first given the what are you looking for that box. They can search anything if they have if they want to search for. In this page, they can download the PDF. By pressing this icon, they can download the page related to the scheme. If it is Adi Driver, they can just download the PDF forms. So we just mentioned all the PDF folders here. So we just created this by using this code. And then services. Here our services is first search. The visitors can search if they have any clarifications or any queries about our website, and they can also find more benefits from that. And contact number, we just specified our contact numbers so that they can clear any doubts with us at any time. And we just mention email ID. They can send emails to this email ID. We can check those, and we can clear their doubts. And then communication, we have more than 10 languages so that people around errands can use our website. And then security, the details which the visitors are providing to us will be encrypted. That means it will be secured. And then information, our website provides information about schemes and recommendation on how to access it. And then social networking, and our website also provides social networking in which it involves users to access Google, Bing. They can translate it if they have any doubt. They can search it through Google by pressing and selecting the word. And then apply. Here on the apply, they can apply the form. First, I'm going to give Ram as example, and then age as 25, and then annual income. Annual income, I'm just gonna give 15,000. Here they can select the department according to their wishes. So I'm gonna select Adi Dravidar and Tribal Welfare Department. And then date of birth. In the date of birth, I'm gonna select the year. (1997) April 4. So this is what the apply page looks like. When I submit it, the submit details will be stored here. So these are the details which are given on that website, and it will be saved here as I have given Ram 25 age, animal. So this will be stored here in this page. And then next we have issues. On issues, they can specify if they have any issues about the government schemes. We will clear it for them. So on issues, I'm just gonna type So I'm going to give it as lack of review and monitoring mechanism. So I'm going to submit it, and the submit file will be stored here on the issue box. So lack of review and monitoring mechanism. Here the issue will be stored. So all the details will be stored in this page. And further, finally, we are going to store and return all the home page, scheme page in the Django. Here I'm just gonna return the file home, schemes, forms, services, apply all the things we have used. So here's what the code we have used for all those things. Here we have mentioned the home page and schemes, form, services, an apply page, issue page, feedback services, etc. So we just mention all these things by importing path, and then by using the code app.models save apply, we just return the home page, scheme page, forms, etc. And for save apply, we just mention the name, year, age, annual income, schemes, etc. So for issues and feedback, so these are the codes we have used, and I just called the name by importing views here. So the codes we have used in this page is imported here. So by doing all these things, the final output of our page will look like this. So this is our home page, and then schemes, then forms, services, apply, issues. So on the footer we have mentioned the location, phone number, Gmail, etc. So we just mentioned all these things on the footer below. I hope our website will be helpful for all the citizens. Thank you all for watching this video.